All right. Again, today we are going to be looking at another device. This time around, we are looking at a blender. The complaint from the clients was that it gives some smokes, it smells, and doesn't really work well. So we need to find out what is the reason for all of this. First, let's check if the blender. Let's do a resistance check on the blender. It's on diode mode. Let us see if it has some level of resistance. Now we need to put it on a range on an okay. It's not sensing anything. It's not sensing anything. So now we are going to lose it. We'll lose it and see what the problem is. Going to lose. It has about six screws. 6 screws. That's it. This is the third one. Fourth one being loosened right now. Third one being loosened. Now we have the fifth one. And then the last one. So that opens the entire base. Oh, now I see. I think you can see. Can you see this? We call it a cutout or a circuit breaker. Yeah, that's the right word for it. A circuit breaker. You can see the terminal, one of the terminals is already detached, disconnected, and that will sure not make it work. So we're going to fix it back, and that definitely will resolve this problem. But I need to use a plier to just use a small plier to press for a very good grip on the terminal. The clip is loose, is too open, so I need to make it kind of tight for it to have a good grip on it. So it's a very simple solution to a very cheap problem. So I'm going to connect it back, and it has a good grip this time around. So while the second one too, let me make sure the other one too is having a very good grip. So there won't be reasons for any further complaint on it. Let me ensure it is having a good grip. Okay. Now this one too is better now. So we are going to do that test again that we didn't get any value. Let's do the test again. The resistance test from the plug. Let's check if it has now we can see some resistance. Can you check the meter? So now this blender will work perfectly. So we're having so it's giving us some resistance now. So if I change the knob, that means all of them has to give resistance, different resistances, because the number of turns on the coil, driving the motor have different different values. So, and the same way, the resistance also will be different at different locations. So it's off now. So that's why I'm not getting anything. So with this test, it is sure that this blender is already resolved. It's already fixed, and by the time it's plugged, it will work perfectly. I think there will be a need for us to do a simple test on this blender. So let's quickly do that. Okay, we said we are going to do a test on the blender. Now it is already plugged, as you can see on the wall. It is plugged to the wall, and I'll switch it on and see. It is plugged. Can you see the indicator and the plug? And I'll switch it on here, then see the rotation. So that's resolved this problem. So if you are new to our channel, please, we'd like for you to subscribe, give us a like, click the bell for all of our notifications that you need to be seen as we update them, and then share the link of this video. Then if you are not new, that you have been, around with us watching our videos, we need you to drop your comments. And if you have any questions that you need to raise, you can put that in a comment section, and we'll do it to respond to you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.